In this video, I will talk about the best foot in the door offers that you can sell to companies for absolutely free and get your foot in the door. This video is inspired by 𝗁𝙁𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙧. I will talk about my story, why local marketing works for companies, how to get companies excited, what are these foot in the door offers, a sales process that you can use, and also how to reach out to companies. And in the end, I will also give you a framework how to sell these services for absolutely free, and stay till the end, because I will give you a template that you can even sell to companies. So let's talk about it. So 𝗁𝙁𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙧 says that you have to ask these questions: what, who, where, why, how, and when. So what marketing services to provide, who is this method for, where to start as a beginner, why local businesses, how to make it work, and when is the right time. I'm very excited to share all of these questions and answers with you. So this is me. Basically, years ago, I felt that everything did not have support in the online space. All my friends were not business owners, so I was very lonely. I didn't know where to get help. So I'm making this video for you to have some guidance in the beginning. I am currently a successful SMMA business owner making $20,000 per month. I offer software with services to companies. Built my business on the software with a service model, figured everything out on my own from YouTube. I had to bought a lot of courses, spent like $15,000 on courses, and I have started out with local businesses. So that is why I am telling you to actually do this. So you should ask that, why local marketing works. Attila, tell me please. It is because people buy from businesses they know and trust. That is why I'm telling you not to go for paid services right away and work for free, because it will give you so much trust from them that they will beg to actually pay you. And you are reaching people who are ready to buy, who already have businesses, who have running, who are entrepreneurs, who are running businesses already. It's more cost effective than broad advertising. In the beginning, I didn't have any money for ads or anything. So this is why I am showing you this beginner method. Also, reviews and word of mouth create a growth cycle. So I have a lot of work currently from referrals, because a lot of local company owners know each other. They know that I am the guy for like roofing Facebook ads, let's say, and they tell the other business owners that I am great. And it helps you dominate the local market for you. So how to get business owners excited? The first problem they face is that they get daily calls on a daily basis. Cold calling works, but they get like 15 cold calls a day or 20 marketing messages. So in the beginning, you have to stand out. Instead of selling them, we offer a foot in the door offer. So I'm not telling you you should not cold call them or maybe write an email, but you are giving them free value right away. You stand out this way. You don't want to get the first sale right away. 𝗁𝙁𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙧 said, you are not trying to make money on the first sale. You are trying to get a customer. Free trials, free audits, free samples, anything that gets them in the door, then delivers so much value, they beg to pay you. And the first offer can be free. Money comes later as trust is built. Believe me, I've worked for very cheap and for free in the beginning. And from that, I could tell other business owners that I have experience, I have done it. And don't be afraid to work for free for a bit. So what are these foot in the door offers that you can give to companies? I actually listed a lot here, and let's talk about the website. So websites, AI built website that books appointments on autopilot. With my software, you can basically create websites with appointment booking, chat widget. These are smart websites. These are not just like custom websites. These are systems that you sell to companies, and you can create it with AI in like 5 minutes with a single prompt. It is insane. You can give them social media content, free social media posts for like 20 days. And after they are, let's say, interested and they are happy with your service, you can charge money for it. As I said, they will beg to pay you if they receive great value from your site. Also, you can filter Google reviews with 50 reviews in the next 5 days for completely free if they have past customers. If they have been in business for years, they have a contact list. You can send out Google reviews to actually ask the past customers to use that list, because that list is very, very important. And you can also do that with my software. You can also run database reactivation campaign. Let's say you give them 5 appointments in the next 5 days completely free using past leads and past clients, and they will very, very much love you for generating them basically sales customers for absolutely free. These offers are really great. I personally would go with the website and with the Google reviews and the database reactivation, because these are very, very powerful. You can also offer them a missed call text back, which is meaning when a call goes unanswered, an automatic text message is sent out. The text lets a caller know they will be assisted shortly while trying to book an appointment. You can offer it for like 14 days or something like that. And let's say they have a lot of cold calls and it just goes to like missed call text back or anything like that, and they will be happy to actually pay you. You can also give them a free marketing audit report. Let's say with the software that I use, you can basically give them a audit of their competitors. Let's say that they are behind in the Google reviews, they are showing up late on the Google, they are not showing up on the first page as if they have been working with you, they would show up on the first page. You can emphasize it. You can give them a free video ad. Let's say you shoot a video on your phone using a short 15 to 20 second script. An owner or staff member could be on camera. It can be used as a testimonial to attract more clients. And you can also offer like a free lead magnet, an ebook or checklist. Work some more for getting these clients, get your name out there with these free offers. I basically started out actually with a website and Google review filtering and Google review database reactivation campaigns. And what is the sale process that I have been talked about? This 𝗂𝘠 model: attention, interest, desire, action. It's a hierarchical model where consumers move through a series of cognitive steps to make a purchase decision. This is proven. This is not me like figuring this out. This is a proven sales cycle. The first step is to attract consumers by creating awareness for a service, category, or product. They get interest, which is increased potential customer interest by learning about the benefits and advantages of the product. They get desire, make consumer develop an emotional connection when they test out your service. They experience that, they get reviews, they get notifications on their phone that, oh wow, another review has came in from let's say 𝗂𝘠𝘠 service, who offered me like a free service, and they are happy. And after it, they take action, because why wouldn't they? They have a great service, a great product. Let's say you try out something and you like it, and you use it. Of course, you're going to pay for it after it. And after it, you can start investigating on Google Maps. Let's say, do they need help with reviews? Do they need a new website? You can actually go to Google Maps and let's say search for plumbers in Las Vegas. Why is this this plumber has like 532 reviews, but if you go a little further, you can actually find someone without a website. Let's say Las Vegas Anthem Plumbing Services, only 19 reviews and no website. You can give him a free website or a marketing audit, and let's say you compare him with general contractor, this guy, and you tell him that this guy has 340 reviews. He's getting more customers because of it. Why don't you have, and I want to help you get these reviews for free in the beginning, and after it you can pay for it. So it is a very, very powerful technique to actually sell your services. You can check out their website, and you can see how good is it. It is actually not bad. They have a lead form. Maybe you can add like a calendar booking or a chat widget. Yeah, or a chat widget would be great on the right side. If somebody has a question, they don't have to call the business for every single little problem. An AI can answer this. Do they need an AI chat widget? Do they need a pixel on their website? Do they have social media, and is it well managed? Do they run meta ads? If they do run meta ads, are those ads any good? So basically you can check out Facebook ad library, and you can search here for companies, if they run ads or not. You select your country, you select all ads, and you type in the company name. Let's say I search for this solar company. They see that he's running ads locally in Hungary. Yeah, and finally we are here at the snapshot that I will give you, the reputation management snapshot, where people just need to click a button. You send out a Google review request, and they basically fill out a form, and the business owner gets a review, and it's all automated. All you need to do is leave a comment and ask for it, and I will send you privately this whole document. And also one more thing: if you don't have any skills and you want to be a subcontractor, meaning you hire somebody to do the job, you have a client, but you don't know how to do it, you can hire somebody with this script that I give you. And you also get door-to-door sales scripts, and cold calling sales scripts, and Facebook groups sales scripts if you comment on the video. And yeah, that's my welcome thing to you guys. Subscribe and comment on the video, and you get this document.